Clearly, there are many reasons why we need to recycle. And now, thanks to Crayola, there's a way we can all help.
At Crayola, we're all about engaging students in environmental solutions. That's why we're thrilled to launch the new ColorCycle program.
Basically, Crayola's ColorCycle program takes used markers like these and turns them into clean energy. In fact, one box of 8 markers can create enough energy to cook an egg, make toast, and heat up 2 cups of hot chocolate. Crayola has partnered with a company called JBII that developed this ingenious process. It was pioneered here at this plant in Niagara Falls, New York.
Well, up until now, plastic items like used markers were difficult and costly to recycle. Approximately 30 million tons of waste plastics end up in landfill every year, and we've developed a process to change that.
John gave us a tour and explained how the process works.
Carly, this is our processing plant. We have to wear safety glasses out here. Let's go over to the waste markers that come in first, the waste plastic. It's over in this bin here. We have some markers, and this bin here as well. This is the way they arrive at the plant. Used markers, many different colors and styles. They get loaded by something called a tow motor, which will pick them up and dump them into a hopper over here. Let's over to the hopper.
Okay.
So the markers get dumped into the hopper through these bins. They're about 600 pounds. That works out to about 60 gallons of fuel. The markers are then carried up the conveyor. The plastic from the conveyor ends up in this first hot tank. We essentially convert the plastic, which is a solid, into a liquid, so we heat it. And the liquefied plastic is conveyed over into this tank, which is even hotter. And this is where the liquid plastic is converted into a usable fuel.
Wow, that's amazing. So what's next?
So next after that is the fuel is condensed in the tower. Let's go tap some fuel.
Okay.
So the hot fuel leaves the reactor and condenses in a tower like this. We have 5 towers total. If you could grab a jar, please, you could actually sample some fuel yourself. It's cooled here, so it's almost room temperature. It's fairly cool. What you're sampling here is actually diesel fuel, and this would be used to power a school bus, all from a bunch of used Crayola markers.
Wow, that's amazing.
It's fantastic. It's a beautiful product.
How can students become involved in ColorCycle?
Well, Carly, beginning with Earth Day, which is April 22nd, schools can go on to Crayola.com and register for the ColorCycle program. And by registering for the program, they can accumulate all of the markers from the course of the year, and Crayola will pay for those markers to be sent here to JBI at the end of the school year. The other nice part of the program is that schools will have access to teacher-written lesson plans that will help teachers to educate students on environmental solutions and social responsibility.
So, students and teachers can help to save the planet right from their classroom. To get started, go to Crayola.com/ColorCycle. There's also a link on our website. For Teen Kids News, I'm Carly.